to officially go. Let's get it.
For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description. So the time has finally come for the budget box turbo build to make its maiden voyage. But the journey hasn't been easy. Through trials and tribulations, fires and failures, all in the name of science and on a quest for cheap power, the Blue Devil has made it. But the engine is absolutely shagged. On our last episode, before we hit the dyno, we realised we had a serious problem. It appears our turbo failure done more than just blow up our turbo. Our engine was seriously hurt and was breathing extremely heavily, also known as blow-by. What is blow-by? Simply put, it's where the exhaust gases from the ignited fuel within your cylinder are able to escape around the piston rings into the crankcase and can show itself as white smoke from the oil filler cap, PCV valve, or the breather. Now this can be caused by numerous things, including heavy piston ring wear and also broken piston ringlands. And after a compression across our box cylinders, we found 5 and 6 to be very low on compression, meaning big problems. Meaning that when we push this car on the dyno, we could have a catastrophic failure. But not to disappoint, and with the correct safety authorities in place, we still sent it. 550! 515! Let's go! 515 brake horsepower! The car made a whopping 515 brake horsepower, basically running on 4 cylinders whilst absolutely smoking its tits off. But somehow, it survived. But the real question is, will it survive its first drive? Today, it is time. All the hard work has paid off. Well, a lot of hard work up to this moment. We made it off the dyno, the engine is hurt, it is smoking. We're in a little bit of a rush. We made 515 brake horsepower, 20 PSI, stock manifold, stock everything. Shout out to John Lamsley, the Emerald Wizard, because he mapped up this car. Have you got a fire extinguisher?
No, it won't fit in the car.
Anyway, he's a fireman. He's got skills to put fires out in other ways. Should we just get into this?
Let's just do it.
Let's just go.
Let's just do it.
We'll pull off, the valve's closed right now, yeah?
Yep.
So the valve is closed, it's smoking quite a bit of front. We'll roll down the road quickly just to see how it feels with the valve closed. And we'll go from there. We won't send it straight away. All right, we're away, boys.
It's moving.
I'm barely touching the throttle. It's making noises.
Yeah.
It's making turbo noises. Let's open the valve.
Jesus Christ. Bloody hell. I should have worn my ear defenders.
Right, let's give it a little tickle in second. Alright, smoking a little bit, bro.
It is, yep.
Alright, that's normal, that's normal. Alright, so should we go for our first angry pull?
Go on it.
Yeah? Alright, cool. Second gear. Oh, 5th gear!
No.
I'm not sure about the suspension. Sand! I done the 2nd to 5th, but we got boost. We've got power. Should we launch it?
Go on, give it a go.
Let's give it a launch. Let's see what happens.
Touch to the floor.
All right. Yep.
Throttle.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Did you see the way it left?
That wasn't too bad.
Oh my god!
Standard wheels, that was not. That actually gripped really well. They gripped really well.
Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy.
Well, imagine we've still got quite a bit more in it, but you know. So.
All right, let's get another second. Oh, throttle. Something's got stuck. Some wires have got stuck behind the throttle. We're back. All right, boys.
Oh my lord!
Smoking. This is angry, bro. Sans, that's mental, mate. That is mental.
Imagine when we get more out of it.
That is insane. This car is crazy. I can't even believe it's still going.
Lock them off if you want. Yeah, for a minute. So I'm gonna get the other class and then you want.
Sanj, mate, I want to shake your hand. I am sweating. All the gauges have fallen out of the glove box.
They come in as well.
I can't believe it's moving like this, bro. I honestly cannot believe.
I'm actually very surprised, especially with the stock wheels you got.
Yep.
Those rain sports.
Yeah.
And you spun on all four wheels, but it actually gripped and went pretty well.
Bro, I am sweating. All right, guys, so we made it back.
Yes.
Honestly, I'm still shaking a little bit. I'm sweating. That was just all off the rip. We just went out and we just got our first test drive of the box sleeper.
Do you know what? I was actually quite impressed.
The launch control, shout out to John, just chilling over there. But the launch control that's set up in it is so aggressive. Oh my God! The shots it lets off, bro, that car is, that's a weapon.
It was really good.
Smoking all the way down the road.
It's got character.
Oh my Lord! Guys, what you just witnessed there is, I'm saying greatness. That is absolutely crazy. Just remember, that engine is finished. That engine has had it.
We're missing 1.5 cylinders, aren't we? Really?
We're running on 4.5 cylinders, 515 brake horsepower. Was it 450 at the tyre? 451 wheel on a box low budget Chronicle sleeper. We done it, guys. We done it. Unfortunately, from here, things have to change.
Yes.
Because we can't run the car like that, unfortunately. Now that's a little taste of what we have to come.
Yes.
But that will be baby boost compared to what's about to come.
Can we do what we can, put into it properly?
Realistically, engine's got to come back out.
Yes.
But we're going to do it properly.
Yes, and we'll build it properly, like we should.
So we're saying, built engine, box sleeper.
Yep.
What kind of power?
It'd be nice if we can get 700.
He said 800 brake horsepower on the box sleeper is what we're going for. So forged internals.
Yep.
Rods, pistons.
Yep.
Send it.
And a Wuhan inlet.
And a Wuhan inlet, short runner inlet.
Yep.
And we're going to properly send it. Bro, thank you so much for everything.
It's not a problem.
Thanks to VARATECNIK. Thank you for actually staying in character, Fireman Sang, throughout today.
Oh, still got it.
John LAMSLEY over there too, chilling. Thank you so much to Emerald Mapper. I will leave links to everyone involved in this box build down below in the description so people can find it. A massive thank you to everyone who's been here with us for this journey. That was just a little taster. I had to do it just before we got into this big build. Realistically, we should have never mapped it and we should have never drove it how it is, but we've done it for the culture. All I will say is stay tuned for what's about to come. And yeah, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.